are JMU Dietetics students, and today we will be making mini English Muffin Pizzas with a pizza sauce that has hidden veggies. My name is Susanna.
I'm Kaylee.
And I'm Shelly.
So to start, we began by toasting our English muffins. We put them into the oven on low broil so that they get crispy before putting the sauce on. The pizza sauce is just tomatoes, garlic, and then it has a secret hidden veggie of shredded carrots in it. Carrots have a good source of beta carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, which promotes healthy eye vision and eye strength. So to begin making the pizzas, you just put the sauce on and then spread it out, and you can add however much pizza sauce you want to make.
Okay, now for the fun part, we're gonna add the toppings. So first, we're gonna start with mozzarella cheese, which has calcium that is great for bone health, as well as some protein. So you can put as much as you want of that. And then I'm gonna do some bell peppers, which not only add color to your pizza, but they add a great source of hydration to your diet.
And then next, I'll be adding some spinach to our pizzas. Spinach is a really good source of iron, as well as vitamin A and vitamin K, which promotes heart and blood health. I'm also going to add some Italian seasoning on top, just because it tastes good. And then I'll let Susanna put them back in the oven.
We're gonna put these in the oven once all your pizzas are decorated with whatever variety of vegetables you want. If you're not a fan of bell pepper or spinach, you could do tomato or other like basil vegetables. So we're gonna toast these now and let the cheese melt.